trying out tractors. I don't know if the wheels are moving. See, look down at the wheels and move. And if you come up here, I can show you all sorts of stuff that it has. This is an emergency brake down there. There's 2 pedals. I don't know which one's the gas, so I'm not gonna push any of them. Brake, and here's the key. A air thing, I don't know what that is. Here, if you look down here, is a movable joystick. This is in turtle mode or rabbit mode. Here is a button. There is another joystick. Here, I'll pick you guys up and move over here. There is another joystick over here. This is the look of the wheel. See? And that's my channel. You can get some awesome merch at johndeere.com. Bye!